Is the crypto bull run over? Especially for altcoins? Are we staring at the wreckage of a cycle that promised millions but delivered a big fat zero? If you're like me, watching your portfolio bleed out, Solana at $120, Ethereum limping at $1,800, you're probably thinking, what the hell happened? Did I miss the memo? A lot of people are calling it quits, saying this cycle's toast. But I'm here to tell you, I don't buy it. We're not done. We're in a right cycle, a delayed, drawn-out beast, and the altcoin party hasn't even started. Today, I'm breaking down the noise, the real drivers, and why 2025 could still be our year. Stick around. By the end, I'll spill my portfolio plan. Let's dive in. First off, I know it feels grim. Altcoins are flatter than a pancake at a steamroller convention. But here's my take. This isn't the end, it's a slow burn. Historical cycles like 2017 and 2021 show that altcoins don't moon until Bitcoin's flying and liquidity's flowing like cheap beer at a frat house. Right now, Bitcoin's holding an uptrend, but the cash taps off. We're in Chop City, short-term pain, but the signs scream delay, not doom. Trump's crypto hype, Fed moves, and liquidity squeezes are all in play. Let's unpack this mess. Speaking of noise, let's start with the Trump show. He's out here promising America will be the crypto capital of the world. World Liberty Financial Token grabs, the works. Sounds sexy, right? Except it's mostly hot air. Those Trump family tweets about altcoins? Marketing 101, think paid ads, not policy. The crypto summit, a donor pat on the back fest, and that digital asset stockpile with Solana, Cardano, XRP. His crypto czar, David Sachs, admitted it's just a top 5 market cap shout out, about as deep as a kiddie pool. Trump even said no taxpayer cash for Bitcoin buys, so altcoins? Dream on. Eric Trump shilling ETH while it tanks? Please, it's a sideshow. Ignore it. Next, altcoin ETFs. Filings are everywhere. Litecoin, Solana, XRP, but don't hold your breath. Bloomberg's Eric Balchunas and James Seifert say approvals could take years. The ETH ETF sat dead for 8 months until Trump's inauguration. Inflows? Not until the big dogs get theirs, maybe 2026. Then there's tariffs, Trump's rattling sabers at China and Canada. Spooky headlines, sure, but it's a negotiation bluff. Tariffs hurt both sides, so they won't stick. Your altcoins aren't tanking because of this. It's all fluff. So what's the real story? Here's the juice. Global liquidity drives crypto, not having hype. Look at history. Summer 2017 to early 2018, Bitcoin dominance crashed as altcoins soared. Same deal Q4 2020 to mid-2021. Why? Bitcoin broke all-time highs by 2 to 3 times and cash was loose. Fed balance sheet ballooning, easy money everywhere. Today, Bitcoin's in a macro uptrend, higher highs, higher lows since November 2022. But liquidity's tighter than a miser's wallet. Ethereum's at $1,800. Solana's halved since January. That's not a dead cycle, it's a drought. Liquidity's the puppet master, and it's got altcoins on pause. So, why's the well dry? 4 horsemen run this show. The Fed, China, the dollar DXY, and bonds. China's easing, printing cash to prop up their crumbling economy. I saw it firsthand last year. It's rough. The dollar's softening, DXY sideways, a win for risk assets. Bonds, stable enough. The Fed's the holdout. They're still in quantitative tightening, QT mode, shrinking their balance sheet like it's on a crash diet. Jerome Powell's February bombshell, QE only at 0 rates, and we're far off. Inflation's above 2%, and they're playing politics, waiting for an excuse to pivot. That's choking altcoins dry. What about recession panic? Atlanta Fed's GDP slowdown stats just dropped. 2 negative quarters scream trouble, right? Not quite. We had that in 2022 under Biden. No recession call. Why? The National Bureau of Economic Research, NBER, decides, and they're glacial. Backdating calls months later. Unemployment's the trigger, and it's not spiking. Analysts peg a 58% recession odds now. Fading by Q4, it's fear porn. Don't trade it. Liquidity's the real game, and it's about to shift. Here's where it gets good. Michael Howell at Capital Wars, liquidity guru, says we're in an air pocket until Q4 2025. The Fed's QT ends mid-year, June to August per their January minutes. Why? They're out of ammo. Reverse repos drained. $2.2 trillion in 2023. Zero now. Treasury's TGAs at $360 billion. Chump change. Then there's the $3 trillion debt maturity wall in 2025. Short-term bonds from Yellen's stealth QE days need refinancing. Buyers are scarce, so the Fed's the last resort. Add bank reserve stress, SVB vibes by July, and they have to ease. Summer's the first crack. Q4 is the dam breaking. So, is the bull run over? Nope. Bitcoin's at $78,000, down from $108,000, sure, but up from $61,000 last September. Higher highs, higher lows, it's solid. Altcoins, they're hibernating, waiting for liquidity. When it hits, Q4 2025, maybe early 2026, they'll rip. Think 2017, Bitcoin grinded up, altcoins slept, then exploded late. 2025's mirroring that. Trump 2.0, post-election chaos. The 4-year halving myth? Trash it. Liquidity cycles rule. 50 years of data back this. We're not done. We're delayed. All right, personal time. I'm hurting. Portfolio peaked at $200,000, now $83,000, 60% down. Solana's at $120, ETH's a ghost, low caps are toast. But I'm not selling. Bitcoin's at the 200-day EMA, $82,000, a historical steal. Relief rallies to $85,000. 100-day EMA are coming. My move, hold tight, sell mid-caps and low-caps on pumps, stack BTC, and keep 1 or 2 altcoin champs per narrative. Vetted long-term holds. No FOMO into hot launches, conserve cash. You'll get my update when I act. For now, patience is king. This cycle's a beast. Noise overload, halving, hype imploding, altcoins testing our souls. But liquidity's the truth, and it's coming. Survive the chop, 3, maybe 6 months, and we'll feast. We are at Pro Miners on X for daily vibes, and our Telegram community's got your back. Subscribe, share this with your panic selling buddy, and hang in there. Dio video is next, then a portfolio update when I move. We've got this. See you in the next one.